Hey everybody, been waiting for you. Come on in. It's Jeremy Rocksmith with the Kripalu Center for Yoga and Health, and today we're going to show you what happens behind the scenes in the Kripalu Kitchen. Let's go. Hey, before we head into the kitchens and look behind the magic curtain, check out our dining room. We do about 380,000 meals a year out of here, processed over 13,500 gallons of kale, and about 3,000 pounds of chickpeas. I think I stop multiple times a week for people to take photos of this, and this has kind of become the mantra of any of the kitchen staff employees who pass this probably 10 times a day. First step on the Kripalu Kitchen journey is where all the vegetable prep begins. Come on in, cold prep. This is where it all begins on the Kripalu journey. This is where all our vegetables come in and eventually where they all go out. We've got 9 folks in here working full-time, 360 hours a week prepping vegetables. I think I said before, it's 13,000 gallons of kale, about 3,800 pounds of cauliflower, lots of stuff. So let's take a cruise through and see what we got going on. We got our cauliflower, got some sweet potatoes going on from Paulina. She's magic. Celery from my main man, Rodrigo, over here. Give it up, Rodrigo. Let's come on into the walk-in. I know it's cold, just button up your sweater. Nice slow week here. So this is where all the vegetables get prepped, get set up. Cooks come downstairs in the morning, bring it on up, and get ready to prepare it for your meal. And yes, there's a way out of here. We're gonna go right on out this door. All right, now that we've seen the magic happening in the veggie prep, time to head upstairs and see what's going on for lunch up in the Kripalu Kitchen. Come on in. It's warmer in here, a little break from that walk-in. All right. So this is it. We got 12 cooks up here producing those 380,000 meals a year. Last year, I think they did 2.5 tons of basmati rice came out of this bad boy, as well as 2,000 pounds of lentils. It's crazy. Over in this corner, we've got our ovens, our wok station, brazier, flat top, commercial kitchen. We got 3 cooks on this morning putting out lunch. So out front, when you're in that dining room and you see people talking on their headsets, our servers out there, they're talking to these guys in back here, coordinating all of that food going in and out so that line always stays plenty. Let's go back in this corner. Salad bar station. We get our extra virgin olive oil in 55-gallon drums so we can crank out this salad dressing. Like I said, all dressings are made in-house. Coming back through to this side, we got our bread station, mixing stations. And these are the old ashram names, so I'm gonna go with them. These are the triplets, the baby kettles. This is the only 6-burner gas stove that we cook on because everything's done in such volume. We're doing 35 gallons at a time. So let me introduce you to the family of kettles that we use. This is the baby kettle. This is Pa kettle. Every morning this bad boy gets filled up, 55 gallons of veg stock at 5 a.m. for the rest of the day, every morning. All our iced teas that we make in-house are made in these guys. You can't have a Pa and a baby kettle without, of course, Ma kettle up in the house. Making soups today. I guess she's all done for the morning, all right? Come on through this way. We got our rice cookers over here. Ronald, the spice master. By far the most popular spice at Kripalu, because turmeric's good for everything, right? Especially staining your chef coats. Got some veggies in the house. Got our sprouts. The sprouts are giving the kale for the run for their money. Laurel's scooping up some veggie burgers for us over here for lunch. Come on, peeps. It's time to get lunch out. Tick, 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 tick. Let's go. This is the true magic. If you've ever wondered where your plate goes on the other side of that carousel, this is where it comes. Here we are at the final destination of the Kripalu food journey. Come on out to the dining room. That concludes a tour of the Kripalu Kitchen. Hopefully we demystified some of the processes that we use to produce this yummy food that serves over those 383,000 pallets a year, whether they be gluten-free, vegan, allergic to peanuts, allergic to soy. We got you covered at the Kripalu Kitchen. So I'll see you soon.